What the f*** do now? Fuck yourself out, don't touch that door!
Get your f***ing hands off my door!
I'm attorney Michael Reynolds, a practicing lawyer with extensive experience in criminal defense and civil litigation across the United States. On February 27, 2022, a Broward County police officer in Florida observed a vehicle idling unattended in an apartment complex parking lot with hazards activated and the driver's side window down. After monitoring for about 10 minutes, the officer sought the driver by knocking on nearby doors. The driver emerged, engaged in conversation, refused to provide identification, resisted detention, fled on foot, and was pursued and apprehended with a canine unit. He received medical evaluation at a hospital post-arrest.
What's going on, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Is your Jeep?
Yeah.
What's it doing?
I was just running to my sister's house.
Okay. Well, why is it running? Why can't you turn it off?
Because I was running in and out.
But you weren't. I've been out here for 10 minutes.
I have a nephew that's 8 years old. I'm just bringing him home. Is there an issue at all?
Yeah, you're having an unattended motor vehicle that's running with its window down. So you're supposed to. So if this got stolen, then you're going to call us wanting help. But you're the one that leaves it running with the keys in the ignition and the window open.
I'm sorry. I wasn't nervous about that at all. I wasn't a thought on my mind.
But it needs to be a thought in your mind. And you got a wad of cash in the back seat sitting on the floor.
That's a fake wallet, sir. It seems like
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean it seems like I'm starting to issue for no reason?
Where is he?
I'm the passenger forward. I don't know specifically, but somewhere over there.
It's my 8-year-old nephew's wallet.
Yeah, if I didn't think it looked like a wallet, then the bad guy's definitely not going to think it looks like a wallet.
I'm not that scared. Like, I'm just not a person that's that nervous about anything.
Well,
I do apologize that, and like I appreciate that.
Where are you going now? Are you leaving now?
I appreciate that you're looking out.
You hanging out here, or are you going somewhere?
I'm registering the vehicle. I was gonna get it over to the visitor section. That's all. I'm just trying to not get towed. Is there any problem at all, sir? I got the registration. I got my insurance on the phone. I can show you whatever you need.
Why is this such a big issue to you?
I feel like I'm being interrogated about a vehicle. I ran in, I'm bringing my nephew home.
Sir, I've been out here for 10 to 15 minutes, walking around looking for somebody. You haven't just run inside and run back out, okay?
No, do you have kids? How old are you?
That doesn't matter.
How old are you?
None of that matters. I don't have to answer that question.
I no longer
do you have your ID? I'll take your ID.
Answer that question.
I'll take your ID.
I don't have to answer that question.
How am I going to issue the citation without giving the ID?
A citation? What is the citation? What is the law that I'm breaking?
Okay, now I'll take a routine. ID, please.
Okay.
You are breaking the law of leaving a motor vehicle unattended.
In a parking spot?
With the keys in the ignition and the window down.
That's illegal?
Yes,
what subsection is that?
I don't have to provide
What subsection is that? I would like to see it right now. I would like to see that that's a law that I broke right now.
If you fail to provide me your ID, you will be detained.
I'm gonna be detained for. Yo, I went to my sister's house, dude. Like, this is crazy to me, man.
I'm sorry that this feels crazy to you, but are you gonna provide me your ID or not?
Give me a second, sir.
No.
Give me a second,
how that goes.
sir.
I'm asking you, you're gonna provide me your ID or not?
Sir, what am I being arrested before? What am I being detained for?
You're gonna be detained.
What am I being detained for? I don't. Kiana, please come downstairs. Please come downstairs. Yo, this officer is interrogating me because I left a key in the vehicle. I need you to call an attorney. I need you to get somebody to help me right now. Please come downstairs. He said he's been here for 10 to 15 minutes.
Come on over here.
He said that he's. Sir, please do not touch me.
I don't want to touch you, but I'm asking you to do something.
Sir, please do not touch me. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Why are you grabbing me? You're not allowed to grab me. You are not allowed to touch me or put your hands on me. Kiana, record this.
Please give me your ID.
Record this, Kiana.
Please give me your ID.
Yo, why? Am I under arrest?
All right, you're being
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
I'm just asking for his ID. That's all I'm asking for.
Record this. Go live. Go live on Instagram right now. Go live on Instagram.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Go live on Instagram right now. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained?
You are not answering my question.
Why am I being detained? I just dropped my nephew off. I just dropped my nephew off.
I agree. You need to calm down.
I just dropped my nephew off.
You need to calm down.
I just dropped my nephew off, dude.
Nope.
Am I under arrest?
You are being detained.
Am I under arrest?
I mean, you're gonna be.
Yo, I got an ID in my car. I've got an ID in my car.
Okay, that's
all
that we need to go to.
Why are you trying to squeeze my hand with that weak grip?
Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind the back. Do it now. Do not reach for anything.
Am I
Put your other hand behind your back.
Am I under arrest?
Put your other hand behind your back.
Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Are you recording this?
Put your hand behind your back and go to the ground.
Are you recording this?
Last chance of my dog's coming out of the car. Last chance of my dog's coming out of the car.
Fuck ass dog, man. Am I under arrest? am I under arrest? I'm down.
Get on the ground. On the ground. Hand behind your back.
Fuck off.
Canine 1036. What the fuck? Hey, get on the fucking ground. Do it now. Canine 1031. Canal, north side. Going eastbound. PC Bat Leo. Couldn't get my dog out. He's going towards the entrance to Disciple Road. He may try to get to the east community of us. Alright, where'd you got him? Last have him. We walked. I walked this little area here. I had him last rounding the wood line.
He shouldn't. Last rounding on this side?
Yep.
894, whoever's in Fisherman, go all the way to the south end.
Break.
Ken, I want a white female come out from 202. I believe she took the keys to his vehicle and went back inside the house while we were 36ing. Ma'am, come out. Come out now. Where are the keys to the car? Why did you go and take them? Go ahead and put your hands behind the back.
All I did was just.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
894, what's your 20?
I didn't do anything for my son's in the house.
Okay.
I'm in Fisherman, about halfway
Do
down.
anything.
Well,
That's
you
my
came
brother.
outside and took the keys after you just saw me fighting with
Because I just wanted to turn it off, sir. That's
Okay,
it.
that's fine. You're gonna have to wait now.
I'm sorry, sir.
Am I gonna need to
because
put you in
I didn't do
handcuffs or you're gonna
anything.
stay here?
No, sir, because of my son sleeping at school in the morning at 6.
What's all that nonsense? Why do
I don't know. I really don't know why he acted like that. He called me and I just came downstairs like, what the fuck is going on?
Okay.
You heard me. I told him to calm down, sir. Seriously.
No, I know, but
I didn't know
I
why.
only escalated him.
I don't know
Now
why
I got
he
a bloody
did that.
nose.
I don't know why he did that. I swear to you. That's my brother. He
So
just
we have
came
some
here.
issues now.
He came upstairs for a minute. I told him to move the car. He left it on, and then you guys came. I don't know what happened. He really wasn't even here doing nothing. He was about to leave.
That's what I didn't understand. So I wanted to talk to him
Yeah,
about and see what his
I don't
ID
know
was,
why
make
he
sure his
was
ID was
acting
good.
like
Because these guys, just his car's running with nobody in it.
I swear
you can't do that.
He just left it down here because one time he parked here before and they towed it, so he just left it on real quick.
Yep.
So he could drop my son off.
I can understand that, but when people don't stop and talk to me, then
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know
We have an issue.
why he reacted that way. A lot of us would act like that. I told him to calm down.
I agree. I just literally wanted to get his ID, and I was just gonna verify who he was, and we're gonna get him out of here. You say you want to start screaming and yelling and making a scene out of it.
On the ground.
On. That's fine. No, we're on him.
Come over. Pop you out there. Perfect.
Where is he?
We're east in the Fisherman.
We're on. We're back on. We got him.
We're searching. Stop walking around.
God damn it. Check my wind.
Yeah, boy.
Get him! Stop! Get that man!
Tell him stop biting me. Stop biting me.
Get your fucking hands off my dog! Get your fucking hands off my dog!
Biting me.
Get your hands off my dog!
Biting me. He's biting me. He's biting me.
Stop!
Stop biting me.
Walk yourself out. Don't touch that
Stop
dog.
biting me.
Don't touch that
Tell him to
dog.
stop biting me.
Get your hands up.
Biting you till I get your hands!
Tell him to sink.
Stop.
Tell him to stop biting me.
Pull out! Walk
Get him,
out!
please.
Walk out. You ain't
Walk
coming
out.
out.
Walk out. Stop biting me.
He's not coming off till you come
I don't
out!
want to hurt you, but please stop biting me. Stop biting me. Man.
Get out!
That's over. Contact.
All right, y'all. Just stop biting me,
Mister,
man.
put your hands
I
behind your
didn't do
back!
anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back!
I have my
Put your
keys
hands
in my
behind your
car.
back!
All right, tell him stop biting me.
Get on your belly.
Tell him stop
Get
biting
on your
me.
stomach!
Have him stop biting
Get
me.
on your stomach.
Sir. Please, sir, have him
Get your hands
stop
off that
biting me.
dog.
Have him stop biting me.
Get your
Get
hands
your
off
hands.
the dog.
Get your hands.
All right.
Crawl out. Crawl out.
Still biting me.
You're not giving up!
Let him crawling out. Try to bite me and I'm out.
Get lay down.
I'm out.
Lay down or you get it again!
I'm out.
Got it. I got it.
Back up.
I'm out.
Yeah, 4. 1 in custody, star rescue for dog bite.
I'm out.
Good boy, Bubba.
Please, I can't breathe. Please,
Yeah, good boy.
throw my keys in my car.
Woo! That a good boy, Bubba. That's a good man. That's a good man.
Well, sir, you are under arrest for battery, Leo, resisting with violence. You are receiving a citation for parking a motor vehicle, unoccupied and left running with keys in ignition, and as well as, I believe, battery on a police dog. That was it.
Some more things up.
I'm sorry, make some more things up? Well, that's what happened. And even your sister explained to us exactly what she saw happen, so it is what it is.
Did you get bit on the legs?
I bit on the legs and the crotch multiple places. After that, telling him to pull your dog back 50 times. I could have easily restrained him. I had him restrained and he told him to go back at me.
Yeah, well, that's called battery on a police dog. You're not allowed to touch him.
Yeah, and he was biting me.
That's what he's. That's his job, buddy. Unfortunately for you.
Hey, what's up, man? Got you a little souvenir. For your bad choices tonight.
It was my bad choice.
Hey, don't worry about that right now.
Yeah, for me dropping my nephew off and you were detaining me.
Hey,
for
sit up
no
a little
reason,
bit.
without a charge or anything.
Sit up a little bit.
Sometimes I had to ask you if I was under arrest. I'm the crazy man.
Go ahead and-
defend myself. I asked that man if I was under arrest 10 times.
Look, I ain't here to discuss your case, alright, buddy?
Watch this dude right here.
Watch me. I'm a pretty nice guy.
Tell me to get on the ground and tell the dog to bite me again. Real class act. He's a good dog. He wasn't really trying to hurt me at all.
Well, he's a dog. He's got no bottom teeth, you know?
I'm probably older than you, man. I'm 36 years old. How old are you?
Yeah, you're older than me. You got me by 10. But I've been doing this for a few minutes, man. Look. All I can say is things obviously didn't go.
You gotta train them guys to read the rights, to tell you why you're being arrested, to follow the law. That's it. Like I'm coming to my car, I got keys in it. He just makes up a reason. I say, hey, let me look up the law on my phone then. And then he grabs me by my wrist and says, you being detained. I said, am I under arrest? And he slams me on the ground, puts his fucking knee on the back of my neck, and I'm not supposed to run. I was in fear for my fucking life. Don't give me I could do without the speech. You gotta teach these guys better.
Alrighty. Well, like I said, make sure you keep care of that and have a absolutely blessed rest of your life or something.
You have a card?
End of my involvement.
Squirrely, man. Squirrely, huh?
He was trying to grab, he was grabbing Cash by the snout. He was trying to choke Cash, he was hitting Cash, so then I was hitting him.
I want to know what this guy's fighting.
Now that we understand what happened, let's talk about how the law applies. This incident involves key US constitutional protections and state statutes. Under the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures, the officer had reasonable suspicion to investigate based on the visible traffic violation, allowing a brief detention to confirm identity and issue a citation. Probable cause for arrest developed when the individual refused lawful commands and physically resisted, escalating the encounter. The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination, meaning the driver was not required to answer questions about his age or activities, but he still needed to comply with orders during a valid stop. The 14th Amendment ensures states apply these federal rights consistently, including due process in any subsequent proceedings. In Florida, state statute section 316.1975 prohibits leaving a motor vehicle unattended without stopping the engine, locking the ignition, and removing the key, classifying it as a traffic infraction. This provided the initial legal basis for the stop. Resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02 occurs when someone obstructs a lawful duty, such as by refusing identification during a citation process. Battery on a law enforcement officer per Statute 784.07 applies if physical contact harms an officer during duty, and similar provisions cover strikes on police canines. Legal doctrines like reasonable suspicion require specific articulable facts for a stop. Here, the unattended running vehicle met that threshold. Detention differs from arrest. The former is temporary for investigation, while arrest requires probable cause and allows for custody. Failure to comply with a lawful order, such as providing ID for a citation, can shift a minor infraction into felony charges. Free speech under the First Amendment permits questioning authority but does not shield refusal to follow directives. Observable actions like arguing, withholding ID, resisting handcuffing, fleeing, and contacting the canine legally transform the situation from a simple ticket to multiple criminal charges. The encounter escalated when the individual refused identification and resisted detention, leading to flight and use of force. Lawful alternatives included calmly providing ID, complying with commands, and challenging the stop later in court. Disputes over police actions should be resolved through legal channels, not on the scene, to avoid heightening risks. Key lessons: know your rights under the 4th and 5th Amendments, but comply with lawful orders to prevent escalation. This analysis is for general education on US law using public footage. It's not legal advice. Consult a qualified attorney for personal matters.